them letting Baxter out to go get a stick. Go get a stick, Baxter. Get a stick. I don't know if you guys can see all the sticks on my front lawn, but this blizzard is nuts. Just absolutely nuts. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind in the background. It's like a friggin' tornado's coming. Poor Baxter came out here earlier. He didn't know what stick to pick up. And what does he do? Goes for the biggest one out there. Come on, Baxter. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. What are you gonna do with that? Hey? What are you gonna do with that? At my door. It's crazy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.